So now I want to show you how to find the value of x for which the quadratic function in the standard form is positive. So basically I want to find the sign of this function. Okay, so to find this, first I need to find the zero of this function. Okay, so the zero I already did it in the other example, so I will just use solving method to solve this. Okay, so I will just choose one out of the two method, okay, to solve for my x value. Okay, so first of all I would have to find out 0, because this is basically to find y equal to 0, what is my value of x. Okay, so y is 0, so 3x minus 2 square minus 27. So move the 27 on the other side, and then I need to divide by 3. Okay, so 27 over 3 equals to x minus 2 square. So if I do that, it will be 9. 9 equals to x minus 2 square. So I have to do square root. When I put square root, I have to put plus or minus, so which gives me plus or minus 3 equals to x minus 2. So I will have two answers. So x1 is equals to plus 3 plus 2, so which is 5. The other one is minus 3 plus 2, which is minus 1. So I have 5 and minus 1 as my zeros. So now you need to do a little sketch, because my a value is 3, which is positive. Okay, if it's positive, my function is going to be like this. Okay, open upward. And then my first 0, which is minus 1, and the other one is 5. Right, these 2 points are my 0. Okay, because this is my x-axis. I don't really care about where is my y-axis, so in this case it doesn't really matter. So how do I find the positive? Positive is everything that is above the x-axis. Okay, so all I have is minus infinity to minus 1. And then, because this is excluding, and then the 0 must be including, because if it's set strictly positive, then I will have to exclude the 0. Now that is included, I have to put it like this. Union, including 5 until infinity. So these are my value of x that belongs to these intervals, so that the function is positive.